So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Euro GBP. So to those of you that are used to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you don't say subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's start with our trend right here on our Euro GBP. So we can see on our Euro GBP, we are in a downtrend move, right? So at first, markets rallied up, right? Then it eventually gave us a multiple rejection at the top. Give us a multiple rejection at the top, right? Before making markets eventually drop to take out this neckline. Markets eventually pull back to form a lower high. Now this is a lower low, right? Now markets eventually pull back to form a lower high. This is the lower low. And now market has given us a lower high. So we will be expecting market to drop further to form a new lower low, right? Thereby taking out this low. So this is to tell you that we will expect market to take out this low. So whatever you do to be doing on your GBP, you will not be going for the sell. So a bearish move, a sell is what you should be expecting. What is what you should be anticipating for on your Euro GBP. So more movement to the downside is what you should be anticipating for, is what you should be expecting. Now this is a multiple rejection zone, right? So market has eventually dropped to take out the neckline. Eventually we will be expecting market to pull back, and guess what? Eventually drop again to form a new low, thereby taking out this low. So more movement to the downside is what you should be expecting. Now could there be changes to this prediction? Absolutely yes, there's a possibility that there will be changes, but if there will be any, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates.